Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from Bitget. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing we need to do here is you need to go to bitget.com and log into your account. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to access our wallet. So at the top right of your screen, you should see a wallet icon. Go ahead and hover over it, and from here, choose the option that says withdraw. So go ahead and click on it. Now once you click on this one, it's going to redirect you to the withdraw page here, in which case by default you'll be redirected into crypto. Now in this case, since we want to withdraw our money here, we need to choose fiat. So let's go ahead and choose fiat here. Now under fiat, what we need to do next is we need to choose our currency. So by default it's going to say euro here, but you could choose other currency here like GBP, BRL, RUB, UAH, and TRY. So go ahead and choose your currency, and once you've chosen that, just click on the option here that says next and choose the deposit method here. Now from here, it's going to ask you to bind a phone number. So go ahead and click on set now to bind your phone number. And now once you've connected your mobile number, the next thing you want to do is you'll be redirected back into the withdraw page here. So again, click on next, and the next thing they're going to ask you is you need to verify yourself. So in order for you to withdraw crypto is you first need to basically verify yourself. In this case, you'll need to provide information as well as some documentation about yourself. So there's a process time for this one, so it might take a day or two or even a week for the application or the processing for the verification of your identity to be completed. But once the process is complete, you'll be able to see or edit the withdrawal details here and just follow the steps, and you should be able to withdraw your money from Bitget. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.